The year 2020 has been a year when almost all of us tried our hands on cooking, becoming the master chefs while being at home. There is no denying that this year, instead of eating out, we only turned towards our kitchen for all our cravings. With the lockdown in place due to the coronavirus pandemic, we had little or nowhere to go outside. There were some food items internet got obsessed with, spamming our social media timelines. As we wrap up the year 2020, let's check out those super yummy and delicious food items that ruled the year. Dalgona coffee. The whipped cream or the Dalgona coffee was one food item that was made in almost every kitchen and went viral on social media. This beverage got so popular among the netizens that it even became the most searched recipe on Google. Prepared with coffee, milk, and sugar, Dalgona coffee is an instant beverage that treated our taste buds and became a huge hit this year. Jalebi. With the lockdown in place, the foodies and dessert lovers found out different ways to satisfy their cravings for sweets. And jalebi was that one sweet which swept the cyberspace. As per Google, how to make jalebi was one of the most searched food items on the internet this year. Marble cake. If we are talking about the dessert, then how can we miss the yummy cake? The mere sight of a freshly baked cake is enough to activate our taste buds, and this year marble cake was among those viral food items which ruled the digital space as well as our dining tables. Pani Puri. In the year 2020, we have surely missed our street food. And when we talk about street food, the first dish which comes to our mind and brings water in our mouth is of course Pani Puri. The tangy taste of Pani Puri is something we all craved for this year, and hence Pani Puri was among the viral food dishes of the year 2020. Another street food that was winning the cyberspace this whole year was momo. This northeastern dish is surely a must-stop, and let's eat for those walking down the streets in search of a delicious and spicy meal. Momo got so popular on the internet that netizens flooded Instagram and Twitter with pictures of momo as #momos started trending. Samosa. The favorite evening snack of almost every Indian, samosa also ruled the internet in the year 2020. It is definitely not just a food item, but the emotion and the digital space was filled with pictures of it all this year. Samosa is among those dishes which was cooked in almost every kitchen at least once during the lockdown. Dhokla. The classic dhokla was a hit this year. This Gujarati dish was among the most favorite ones in the list of foodies in the year 2020, and the surge in the search for its recipe during the lockdown is proof of it. Pizza. Pizza is a dish one can have any number of times and still not get tired of it. As per Google, pizza was one of the most searched recipes in the year 2020. The crispy, doughy base topped with flavorful marinara with melting cheese and topping is enough to please your taste buds and remain the netizens' favorite this year. Kada. Some food items are therapeutic, we have all heard, but perhaps 2020 has been the year when almost all of us tried to experience it. Among those dishes, Kada was among the most popular and trending ones on the internet. Kada is known for boosting up immunity, and hence it became netizens' favorite amid the coronavirus pandemic. Well, it seems the lockdown this year due to the coronavirus pandemic gave an opportunity to all the netizens to brush up their cooking skills and flaunt them on social media.